You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. Yes, because it is a bit confusing, and I know it confuses a lot of people because there are different variations in English. If you want to learn more vocabulary, by the way, stay tuned. Lower, that's your British English pronunciation. UK, lower. So it's not lower, it's lower. Now, American English pronunciation, the way it's pronounced in the United States, US pronunciation, lower. American English, yes, this is much lower or lower in British English. And now you know. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.